Mansa Musa in the Mali Empire. For the first two questions, you will use this passage. If you need reading support, please ask the teacher and you will be given reading support. Number one, which of the following statements are accurate about how Mali became wealthy? It had access to fertile land along the Niger River and produced agricultural items. Its location close to the coast allowed it to gain access to technology from Europe to more easily produce finished products. It controlled natural resources such as gold and salt that were valuable trade items. It ended all taxation along the trans-Saharan trade, so merchants wanted to trade with Mali. 2. Mali's important trade cities such as Timbuktu were located where? Within the Sahara Desert to protect their wealth, to the west of mountains that protected it from travel along the trans-Saharan trade routes, along the Niger River to promote trade and travel. Excuse me. 3. Which statements are accurate about the rule of Mansa Musa? So you will read that passage. What's accurate? The Empire of Mali expanded to twice its size. He spread Christianity throughout Mali. He promoted religion, education, and the spread of knowledge throughout the region. Another small passage. Which statements are accurate about Mansa Musa's pilgrimage? You will once again select 2. Was it that his caravan seemed like a show and was an event to see if it came to your town? Along his journey, he would share his wealth and build mosques that helped spread Islam. After gaining the favor of village, he would force them to follow Islam and enslave them into the Mali Empire. Which 2 of those are accurate? The next set of questions, you will watch the video on Mansa Musa, so pause it as much as needed and take your time. Number 5. How did Mansa Musa gain control of trade routes to the Mediterranean and the West African coast? He added the cities of Timbuktu and Gao to the empire. He destroyed competing civilizations in Timbuktu and Gao. He increased taxes to competitors like Timbuktu and Gao. Number 6. What was a negative of Mansa Musa's generosity as he made his pilgrimage to Mecca? The poor were provided gold and used it to overthrow leaders in Egypt. His wealth was enough to restart the Crusades, and he briefly overtook Rome and killed the Pope. He shared so much wealth that it upset the economy and caused inflation of goods. 7. The Catalan Atlas was one of the most important world maps of medieval Europe. How was Mansa Musa visualized? As a religious leader who spread Islam to many civilizations, as a military conqueror who dominated most of the Sahara, as a wealthy emperor who controlled a vast amount of gold. 8. The Empire of Mali became urbanized under Mansa Musa. What does that mean? Agriculture spread and they specialized in farming. Towns and cities developed with dense populations. Every person was required to learn how to read. For number 9, you're going to use the map below. Which physical region of Africa, that we have already talked about, was the majority of the Mali Empire located within? So find the Mali Empire using your map key. Pay attention to the visuals that are on the map. And was it located in the Atlantic Ocean, the Sahara Desert, the Savannah, the rainforest? Extra credit 1, you have a passage. You don't need the entire passage, but you need part of it. Mansa Musa's wealth was reported in excess of what amount today? 25 million, 70 million, 100 billion, 400 billion, $1 trillion. And extra credit 2. Below is a chart of the net worth of the world's richest people in 2025. How many of them on this list are under the age of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.